For this, you might need a 9-volt battery, an LED, and a 10K potentiometer, and a 440 ohms resistor, and we can make this project. If you need breadboard, you can use breadboard. But here, I'm going to do a simple graph. So first thing you need to do is take the potentiometer and connect its one end to the positive of the 9-volt battery and the other end to the negative side. So it can help power to give the LED. So after you've done that, you need to take the resistor and place it at the middle like this. After that, you need to take your LED and flip it. Then connect its anode to the resistor. Then connect the cathode to the negative side of the 9-volt battery. And here is our potentiometer with LED. Let's see. So when I turn the potentiometer, as you can see, when I turn this, the LED light turns off. When I turn here, the LED turns on. If I put the resistance thing, 100 is there. So like this, you can create your own potentiometer controlling LED in there. Like this, you can make it. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can receive my future videos. Thank you.